Hello guys, welcome back to Virtual Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix can't type here in the search box and how to fix this up. Sometimes it happens for the people they can't type here anything in the search box. So how to fix this up? So first thing what you have to do is you have to press Windows and R key all together, and now you have to type here. So I think so I'll be giving in the video description, so you have to copy this. So I'll be giving the same in the description, so you can copy it from there, and you have to paste it here and go for OK. This is what you have to do, and once after that you have to go here in the bottom and you have to go to Task Manager, and now from here you have to expand this and you have to search for Cortana. You have to select this and go for End Task. Once after that you just have to search a little bit and you have to find a File Explorer if you're getting in between, but here it's not there. But if you're having also over here, you just have to go for it and go for a restart, and you have to end Cortana. And once after that, most probably after trying this, if you search here, it will be completely fixed. So now you can type here and this is what it is, and this is what it will be completely fixed. So this is what it's all about it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more notifications, and see you soon in the next video. Peace out.